Hi guys! Finally! They are all here! So in this particular video, I'm actually going to be talking about best accessories to accessorize your Apple AirPods 3rd generation. Right, so let's go! Alright, first up, we're gonna be looking at probably some casing. So I have a few casing of different materials you've seen earlier. So the first off would actually be this one. It's red in color. The material kind of like a fabric, woven fabric, right? And then it's like sticked onto, I think it's glued onto like plastic, right? So the interior is actually plastic. Right, and the lid is all together. You can see here is like a piece of cloth in between. Not too sure how durable it would be. And then there's like a hook here, right, for your lanyard or for a carabiner. There's an opening for the lightning port, and then this dot is probably for the indicator. Okay, let's slip in the AirPods 3. Oh. Okay, it's not a perfect fit. It's some space, as you can see here. You see, not too sure you can see from the video. There's some space here. Yeah, let's close the lid. Okay, yeah, it doesn't really hang on to the casing, but it does like open it up. Right, it doesn't really hold it, as you can see here. So it kind of like pull the whole charging case up slightly from the case as well. Right, so this is something to take note. If let's say you're actually charging, right, you will actually see the wire going inwards a little bit. Right, then take out the earbuds, close it back in again. Right, the dot is fitted perfectly. Okay, within the LED light is within the dot. Let's open up again. Okay, doesn't give me a very secure feeling, this casing, though the material, it feels very good. Right, just that I'm worried about this part. Let's say this is gonna be your one and only case. It's just this cloth folding this two part together, so I'm not too sure about the durability. Alright, so this is the first case. Alright, so do let me know down in the comment below whether do you like this one. Alright, so let's move on to the second one. Alright, the second casing is this black color one. I think they say that it's genuine leather. Let's have a sniff at it. Not too sure if it's genuine leather. Stitching along the edges. Right, and then here. Then there's an opening for the lightning charging port. Opening for the button at the back. And then there's a dot for the LED light. And then, oh nice, this one. Yeah, it's a rotatable carabiner clip, right? You can hook it anywhere. Nice, comes built in. And then this is a button. Oh, okay. Okay, nice. Let's put the AirPods 3 inside. Okay, pretty tight fit. See, before you close. Wow, a very big opening for the lightning port. So this is something to take note. Okay, and then slip on. Ooh, nice. Okay, so take note. It's not a like. See here, it's not like in line. Here is kind of in line, but here is not really in line. Okay, then the back button here. Okay, so you have some cutout here, probably for the bending, right along here. So let's unclip and we pop open. Okay, so you can see here, you suddenly have this crease here, and this is how it looks like when you open up the case. Alright, this is how it looks like. So the casing here, it doesn't go all the way in. It will be slightly tilted inside, but when you close it back, slide it up, close it back, nice. Okay, oh, so it doesn't grip onto it at all. Because inside is like, not sure what, oh, sweep, it's like a woven cloth material. It doesn't hold on to the lid. Okay, so you have to probably open it all the way. Okay, let's see. Okay, the LED light comes up nicely. So this is the second casing. Right, the second protective casing is leather. I'm not too sure if it's genuine leather or it's man-made leather. Right, but do let me know down in the comment below if you actually like this particular casing. On to the third one. Right, the third one is kind of like rubber silicone. It's like the off-white beige color. Alright, so it's detachable. The casing and the body, right, is detached. And it comes with a free carabiner, right? And there's a hook here. Oh, double. Ooh, nice. Okay, there's two carabiners here. Okay, so this is how it looks like when it's covered. So the lid here kind of has like a rubber strip design here along the like there. I think this is glued. I think it's gonna hold very long. And then there's a groove here at the back. I think this is for the hinge. And then this is probably for the carabiner to go in. It's like a rubber silicone inside. Inside is shiny, alright? And here is matte, some design. Let's get the body, some vertical lines here, and this one is for the LED light. The bottom, oh nice, there's a cover for the lightning port. Very good. Right. And then the back. Okay, so let's put the AirPods 3 in. Wow, it's a very nice fit. See here? No space. There's no space. It's very tight. Right? And then this is the cover for the lightning port so that dust and water don't get in. So let's pop on the top lid as well. Nice. Okay. So you can see here it's flushed. It's flushed with the casing, right? And then the lid as well is flushed. Very nice. Right, the LED light coming through. There's no indication of where the back is, okay, but the hinge, you can see here the hinge is exposed. It's the only part which is exposed. Alright, so let's put on the carabiner. Maybe we can slide this in. So it's like this. Let's open up. So it doesn't get in the way. Right, so you can see here, it doesn't really get in the way. Nice. I thought you would actually get in the way, but let's see if you're here, open up. This will get in the way, but if you put it here, kind of like this, you open up, alright. Doesn't get in the way because here is curved. Right, this part is curved, so it doesn't get in the way of the opening and closing. Nice. Cool. Alright, so this is the third casing. It's like a rubber beige design with dust cover, alright, for the lightning port. So do let me know down in the comment below whether do you like this casing. Let's down to the fourth one. Right, the fourth one, this one is a silicone. Yeah, it's a very thin silicone compared to the third one. This one is thinner, so you can compare here. Right, you can have a look at this. Right, this is thinner, this is thicker, the sides as well. Right, the body and lid, they are actually connected by this very thin plastic silicone. Not very stretchable. Okay, inside it's a bit matte sticky, alright, and then here is just matte. It's very smooth matte. There's a groove here, probably for the LED light, and there's an opening for the lightning port. In the back, nothing. Right, and then this rubber flap here. Okay, let's put our AirPods 3 in. Slide it all the way in. Wow, okay. So you can see here, it's quite a nice fit. Barely any gap around the AirPods 3. Let's put on the lid. Doesn't really fit perfectly. Okay, as you can see here, it's not a perfect fit. Okay, so this is something to take note. Try to adjust it, but nope, it's not a perfect fit. Okay, let's open it up. You can see here it's not really flushed. It's not flushed with the AirPods 3. So this is something to take note. You might get some lining here after some time of usage as compared to the rest. Right. Alright, so the light comes through nicely. Alright, so this is the fourth one. So do let me know down in the comment below whether do you like this particular casing. And next we'll go on to other accessories. One of the accessories I bought is actually this one. This is actually like a silicone cover for the AirPods. So it comes in a very nice protective casing. You open it up. Right, and there is this silicone cover. Okay, so there's an indicator here. You see, it says L. Okay, so this goes around the L.
A few moments later.
It looks like on the right. Let me make some adjustment so that it covers the whole thing. Alright, so this silicone cover is actually supposed to protect this part of the AirPods head from maybe dust and dirt and this kind of stuff. Right, but kind of have like hair attached to it. Okay, let's put on the second one as well, which is the right.
A few moments later.
There you go. Here's the right side. So it comes in a couple of colors. I think there are like 5 to 6 colors, including one that is actually white or transparent. So do let me know whether do you like this accessory to accessorize your AirPods 3rd generation down in the comment section below. Right, so let's go on to the next one. The next accessory I have is actually something that is similar to what I got, but this comes with an ear hook, right? So same thing, comes in a nice protective cover. Open it up, and you get this cover. There's like an ear hook so that it stays more secure in your ears. Looks like a bat wing, right? Okay, let's put them on. Alright, so this is how they look like after you put them on. Let me do the fit test. Let me put them on and see how they feel like. So this is the comfort and fit part. Alright, so this is the front view of the AirPods 3rd generation with the silicone ear hook. In terms of comfort, they feel quite comfortable actually. I don't really feel them anything because the wings are quite soft. But honestly speaking, after putting on the silicone ear hook, the AirPods 3 definitely feels more secure, right? So I can do a head shake test now, wrap it all around, you can even push it, you can see it, you can, alright, so it's coming out a little bit more, but you know, you can adjust it, you know, if you're gonna be pushing it, see, it's very difficult to de-launch it, alright? It's quite snug in the ear, alright? Even do this unless you're just pushing it out on the back, right? Otherwise, I mean, it's very difficult for it to fall out because it's hooking onto your ear here, right? This part as well, you can see here, it's not really bulging, all right? As compared previously when I don't have this ear hook on, I feel that it will drop out, you know, when I take it for a run. Okay, so yeah, let's see whether do you need to remove them when you put them back into the case. So now I just remove the AirPods. Okay, so it's back into the case. Okay, let's see whether you can close them. Nope, you can't close them. Right, they're rather thick actually. So you have to remove them before you put them back into your case, which I think that's something you need to do on quite a regular basis. Alright, so this is actually the silicone ear hook for the AirPods 3. Do let me know down in the comment section below how you feel about this particular accessory. And let's move on to the next one. Right, so the last accessories we have for the day is actually this one. This is actually an AirPods 3 Dustproof Film. Right, it's gold in color. It's 18K gold carat. It's like what you see here. It's supposed to cover this part. Right, this part and the top part here. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so it's supposed to be dust free. It's a magnetic material, perfect fit, easy installation. So it protects your AirPods case from dust and metal residue that accumulate over time. Open up, sticker. Alright, so there's some dust absorber. Okay, so take out the AirPods. So it's quite a simple, easy installation. First one is we're gonna check out step number 1. wet this area. Okay, and then number 2, we're going to dry the area around here. And next, what we're gonna do is it's going this way. So we're gonna take out this part so it goes this way. Oh, it actually looks very nice. See? Wow. Let's do the other side. So the other side is inverted. Pull up this side. Pull up the rest. There you go. Close it up. Let it stick. Ta-da! Wow, it looks very nice. Once you get it aligned, it's really very nice. Right, so this is actually the AirPods 3 Dustproof Film, right, for your casing. So do let me know down in the comment section below how you feel about this particular accessory for your AirPods 3 casing. So let's do one final thing whereby we try some of the accessories, okay? Next, we pull on the silicone cover. Let's get it in. And we cover them up. And we choose one of the casing, shall we? I will go with this one, which is my personal favorite. And voila. And then we open up. So this is how it looks like when the accessories are all put together. Okay, so do let me know what you feel about the accessories I've shared. Which are your favorite? Which casing are your favorite? Do you like this particular silicone casing, or do you this silicone cover, or do you prefer this silicone cover with the ear wings? How about the dust film for your charging case? My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.